Welcome to another video. Today we will see how you can create attractive documents using our document design. First, go to the main menu, select Settings, and click on CRM Settings. Now from the Other Settings drop-down select Document Designer. You will see a list view of your documents displayed on your screen. To import or export your documents, click on the specific button. To create a new document, choose a template from the pre-designed templates or click on Add Template button. After clicking on Add Template button, select the module and name of your document. Add a heading to your document. To add an image on your document, look for the image element from the right sidebar. Drag and drop it where you want to add the image. Similarly, you can add text area, page footer, header, video, etc. on your documents easily by dragging and dropping the element on your document. You can also merge fields in your document by clicking on the merge icon from sidebar. Select the field and click on Insert. Click on Email Template button to add an email to your document. Enter required information and click Insert. Once done, click Save to save your document. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.